Okay, new kit day. I just got this from the UPS man, just dropped it off not too long ago. So this is from Cuore of Switzerland. This is my USA cycling kit. Took advantage of the closeout sale, and well, here we go. Go to opening here. Little box opening. Where the hell are you? Watch me saw right through my New Jersey. Okay, I see red, white, and blue. Okay, with my Herondale kit, I screwed up. I just assumed a large, since that's what I wear, would fit, without realizing that the European cuts are a lot different. So this time around, I actually measured myself and went on Cuore's website and went according to their chart, for the men's sizes. And here we go. Let's hope this fits, man. This shit's expensive. Ta-da. All right, so obviously I'm not on a national team. Old. However, this is their official tribute, I guess. So yeah, anyone can wear the kit. I'm a USA Cycling member. I'm also a level 3 cycling coach. And hey, actually it looks like it might fit. There she is. That's the back. Let's see what we have here. This is my first order from these guys. My first order. And let's see here. We have silicone grippers around the waist. That'll keep your jersey from crawling up on you when you get down in the drops. Sleeve length looks about medium. Yeah, it's about right. Let's see here. On the back, do we have any reflective striping? Anything reflective? I don't see nothing reflective back there. I got 3 pockets. The sleeves. Kind of nice. Let's see here. Let's unzip it. And we have. Nice. There we go. Let's see here. Cuore washing instructions. Oh, I see. It's got some measurements right here. It looks like it's in centimeter. So the body 2.5, arm negative. Oh, I see. They punched it. Okay, so it looks like it's they added plus 2 centimeter to the length of the sleeve. Oh, nice. All right. Well, let's try it on. You didn't really think I was going to get naked in front of you, did you? I know some of you would probably like that. There we go. So far, so good. There we go. Yeah, well, it's a race cut. It fits firm to the body, but it's not horribly tight. It's pretty comfortable. It's the way a kit should be. It should conform to your body. It shouldn't be loose and be rippling so the wind blows on you. Causes aerodynamic drag. So yeah, you get down in there. Not bad. Okay. Bib shorts. Let's try that. Yeah, when I make these little videos, I just go on the fly. None of this is scripted. I'm just going with the flow. Nice little baggies. Swiss precision meets Italian passion. But it has made in China written on them. Okay, plastic bags can be dangerous. Okay, here we go. Bib shorts. Alright, these should be a large. I see large. Look at this tag. How do I get this tag out of there? There you go. Go this way. Alright. So the matching bib shorts, these look like they are a very dark navy blue with USA on the thighs. Let's see, you got some silicone grippers at the end of the thigh. Let's see here. Pad. It's got a shape to it. So kind of, I'm not sure if it's new or what, but it looks like might conform to your gooch. Pad feels pretty good. All right, how am I going to try this on? Let's try it on. No, I'm not entirely naked. Or am I? Gotta make sure it fits, Ron. Let's put this on. Oh, she's snug. She's a little snug. That's okay. Usually kits break in after a while. Whatever. It's a little snug. Yeah, so I got the large shorts and the large jersey. Let's see here. Got this. There we go. Yeah, you know what? Not bad, not bad. You know, it's what on here? I'm gonna put on the jersey. You know what? Screw it here. Let's go over here. How do you get this off? How the hell did it get this in there? Jesus. Wait. Wait. Oh. Okay. Hey, not bad. Yeah, I mean, so they had a clearance sale. The jersey was regular 140 bucks for the jersey, and they have a clearance sale, 50% off. So I paid 70. Then as a member of USA Cycling, I get an additional 20% off. So 56 bucks plus, you know, another 14 bucks for shipping, $71. And the bib shorts, and I'll go outside and take a photo, and I'll strike a couple poses and show you. The bib shorts were 180 on their website, and again 50% off. So the bib shorts were what were they? You know what? I forgot. Oh no, I forgot. 80 bucks? Oh no, it was 143. That's what the tax, shipping, everything included, 143 bucks for the kit. And let's see, ordered it on, I think I ordered it last week, Wednesday. Today's Monday, so yeah, about four business days. Yeah, I got it pretty quick. Nice. Well, I'm going to be at the Arbor Day ride in McAllen this Saturday, the 8th, and I'm going to be sporting my new kit. So look for this. That's going to be me. Let's take some pictures.